Final video to fix AMD Ryzen Master Driver.sys BSOD on Windows. And if your PC crashes with blue screen, let me ask you, are you seeing this error appear when booting or using your system? This problem usually happens because AMD Ryzen Master drivers are outdated, corrupted, or incompatible with your Windows version. Sometimes recent updates or conflicting software also trigger this BSOD. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver reinstalls, complicated registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not stop the crashes. But on Rexys, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact AMD driver and system path that causes AMD Ryzen MasterDriver.sys to crash. This works because it restores stable communication between Windows and your AMD hardware. The method is safe, fast, and does not affect your files once you apply it. BSOD stops completely. Drivers work normally and your PC runs stable. I tested this fix on multiple systems and it worked every time. That is why Rexys shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this AMD Ryzen MasterDriver.sys BSOD is frustrating you and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.